Good morning, students. This is your math period, and we are going to start our new exercise, that is 4.4. Okay, and we have studied all the basics of exercise 4.4 in the previous classes. So let us start with question number 1. So exercise 4.4, question number 1. In the first question, give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable. First part is in one variable. बच्चों आपको इसको किसमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है? वन वेरिएबल में करना है. वन वेरिएबल में करना बहुत इजी है. नंबर लाइन पे आप सभी डिनोट कर सकते हैं y is equal to 3 को. कैसे? How? Yes, you will draw a line, a straight line means number line, such like this, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these numbers are -1, -2. So where y is equal to 3? That is y is equal to 3. That is your first answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now discuss the second part in two variable. How you will represent this equation in two variable? Let's see. For two variable you need to represent in two variable like this. Question is y is equal to 3 means x coordinate is 0. कौन सा coordinate इसका 0 है बच्चों? x coordinate 0. So you will write as 1 0. x को पहले लिखेंगे 0 into x plus 1 into y and minus 3 is equal to 0. That is the linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now you can plot a graph on Cartesian plane. How you will draw? So yeah, you can draw the graph by making a table, but you know a very easy method to plot a graph. आप देखेंगे y is equal to 3 है. नंबर लाइन पे आप y is equal to 3 को अभी कैसे डिनोट किए थे? आपने ऐसे किया था. ये x axis है 1 2 3 4, that is x axis and that is y axis. 1 2 3. So y is equal to 3 कहाँ पे होगा बच्चों? ये है y equal to 3 और यहाँ पे आप कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है? x वाला 0 है, इसलिए किसके पैरेलल लाइन जाएगी? x एक्सिस के पैरेलल जाएगी. Like this. That is the equation of y is equal to 3. Very easy. Okay, understand? Now question number second. Question number second is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. How will you represent in one variable and in two variable? So here solve this question. Is equal to -9, then x is equal to -9 by 2. Okay, so you will get -4 by 5. Okay, so number line में कैसे डिनोट करेंगे आप? That is 0 1. No need for the positive numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so -4.5 कहाँ पे होगा? That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. -4 and -5 के मिडिल में. So that is the point where x is equal to -4.5. Is it clear? Okay. So let's come on the second part of second question, that is in two variable. किसमें करना है बच्चों? In two variable में करना है. So देखिए in two variable. So 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 है. इसको आप कैसे लिखेंगे? You will write 2x plus 0 into y plus 9 is equal to 0 like this. Now it is in the linear form of linear equation of two variable. Okay. यहाँ पे y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है. सो जो लाइन आप ड्रॉ करेंगे मीन्स x इक्वल टू -4.5, वो किसके पैरेलल जाएगी बच्चों बताइए? वो जाएगी बाई एक्सिस के पैरेलल, दैट इज x, दैट इज y। सो -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, ठीक है। तो ये था आपका -4.5। यहां से एक आपको पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है। यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ पैरेलल लाइन, okay, parallel to y-axis. Now this is the x equal to -4.5, यही आपकी -4.5 का ग्राफ है। So this was very easy concept and I think all the basics concept of this chapter is clear to all students and now this chapter has been finished, all the exercises and all the questions, okay? If you have any doubt in any question, you can directly ask to me on my WhatsApp number, okay? So I think it's enough for today, okay? Thank you class.